anyone dealing with 5G optimization of networks and the radio access is dealing with common problems like external interference, also internal interference, typically in the form, for example, of PIN, which is very much still a problem today in many networks everywhere. And of course, new problems that they are appearing with 5G, that they are very specific of the 5G technology. For example, a lot of the interference into the network, but also problems with the low throughputs, phones not correctly attaching to the radios or failing during the handovers between sectors. A lot of these problems are being traced back to lack of proper synchronization between those sectors, those 5G antennas. This is a very specific 5G problem that we're seeing in many situations today with our customers. To solve all these problems with one single solution, one single test unit, we have in Viavi the OneAdvisor 800, that offers a number of capabilities to address these specific problems. For example, for external interference, the tool comes with a very neat real-time spectrum analyzer among other interference analysis capabilities. This is a 110 megahertz of analysis bandwidth real-time spectrum analyzer, and it allows to immediately capture, identify those spurious, those leaks, those external interferences that they are very difficult to observe otherwise with traditional tools. When it comes to PIN detection specifically, the tool also offers the ability to attach to, for example, the fiber that comes between the baseband modules and the radio units, and you also can do additional testing on the fiber side with, for example, using fiber inspection to make sure that those fibers are clean, by the way. Always inspect and clean your fibers in any cell site. And once you have connected the unit to that CP link over the fiber, the antennas of the base station become the antennas of the test set. So also for the uplink interference, you're able to basically capture the signals with a very powerful antenna, which is the same antenna as the base station. This same methodology also allows us to do PIN detection. So we have the ability to tell you immediately if you have any serious instance of PIN there, and so you can take actions to remove that PIN from that particular site. Finally, also on the 5G side, we are able to do deep analysis, troubleshooting of how good, how bad you are broadcasting 5G from those base stations, including 5G over-the-air synchronization. This is the ability that we have to measure that all the signals radiating from all the sectors are correctly synchronized in absolute terms against a GPS reference, but also in relative terms between the different sectors. So we can tell you if two sectors, adjacent sectors, neighboring sectors, are correctly synchronized as per the GPP recommendations. So with the OneAdvisor, you have one single solution to address the big three problems that we see today in 5G networks with our customers. Thank you.